Hands-on learning story time with Miss Veronica. Today's story is Goo on My Shoe. The author is Jacqui Shepard and it's illustrated by S. Glakina.
Hello friends, today for story time we are going to read Goo on My Shoe, and for craft time we are going to make goo. So let's get started. Ew, there's goo on my shoe. My shoes are brand new. This just won't do. I do not want goo on my shoe. I'm pulling and pulling with all my might, but this goo is putting up quite a fight. It does not wiggle or wobble. It really is giving me an awful lot of trouble. This goo is really icky and it's very, very sticky. The goo is stuck to my shoe like glue. Maybe this goo is glue. No, it can't be glue. Glue sticks to everything, but this goo is only sticking to my shoe. What can this sticky goo be that is causing me such misery? It has no color to offer me a clue. The goo is completely see-through. I've been rubbing and scrubbing. I've even tried scraping, but not the tiniest difference I am making. No matter what I try, I'm having no luck. This goo is really stuck. Goo, goo, get off my shoe. But this awful goo won't do what I'm asking it to. Now I am cross. Time to show this goo who is boss. The goo has left me no choice, so I shout for my mom at the top of my voice. Mom! As quick as can be, Mom comes to rescue me. She takes one look at the goo on my shoe and she knows exactly what to do. In one swift motion, Mom sprays on some kind of potion. Before I can even blink, the dreadful goo starts to shrink. Mom hands me back my shoe. It's as good as new. The goo is all gone, the battle is won, and all thanks to my mom. Next time, I won't sit and struggle. I'll call my mom at the first sign of trouble. My mom is the best, but I think you should know she is more than my mom. She's a superhero.
For craft time today, you will need cornstarch, water, a spoon, bowl, and food coloring. It's optional. You also may want a tray or a piece of paper to protect your table because this one is messy.
hope you enjoyed our story time and craft today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.